Welcome back everyone to another video. I know I haven't been uploading in my normal schedule. It's because I have to deal with some personal stuff. I had to prepare for my college exams. I promise you I will be uploading on schedule as soon as I finish with that. I recently hit 3,000 subscribers, which I'm very grateful for, and I wanted to say thank you for your support. So a few days ago I got access to the community tab on YouTube, and I posted a poll where I asked you guys what do you want me to do for the next post. The majority of you voted for the behind the scenes videos, so here it is as requested. I will be doing more polls like this in the future, so stay tuned for that. So, what's the first thing I do before anything? First, I just watch a shit ton of YouTube videos, sometimes from my subscription feed, and sometimes I just type in a random word into the search bar and watch a random video. This helps me come up with video ideas to make a video about. Another thing that also helps me come up with video ideas is interacting with other YouTubers. I'm mostly active on the Nickname in Discord server where a bunch of other creators get to talk about random stuff. Then when I have an idea and I decide this is an idea that is worth making a video into, then I first put up my earphones, fire up some lit dubstep playlist. I will then open up OneNote and write a script. The script has everything I need to say in a video. I script my videos mainly because of my English speaking skills. Sometimes I have to look up some words to make sure the sentence and the grammar is correct. My scripting template is divided into three things: the hook, the body, and the outro. The rest is all freestyle. Sometimes I use bullet points and sometimes I write everything down in a paragraph style. Once I have scripted my videos, it is then time to record a script, like I'm doing right now. Recording the script is straightforward. I will find a quiet corner in my home, place blankets in the corners, plug in my mic into the laptop, and start recording. After recording, I will edit the whole thing in Audacity. I will first remove all the unnecessary clips, outtakes, and breaks to make it seamless, and then apply a custom preset that I have created. And lastly, I will export the audio. Once the audio is ready, I will then decide between two things. Number one, if I should animate everything, and number two, if I should record everything. Animating is hard, but my analytics tell me I should animate it because they perform very well. I will do cinematics when I feel like it fits with the video theme. I should also mention that I do not own any SLR camera. So if I have to do any cinematics, I will record them with my Nokia 6.1 Plus. And the animations are mainly done in After Effects. And last but not least, I will take everything, fire up Premiere Pro, and start editing the whole thing. I will not go through my editing process because way too many things happen in the process. If you guys want me to make an extended video on this as well, there will be a poll in the card above where you can vote for it. And that is how my video editing process goes. Nothing fancy, nothing fun, but since you guys asked for it, I thought why not. So if you're new to the channel and you like to have fun and learn, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for your support, and for 3,000 subscribers, it really means a lot. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.